Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, Something Peter. Don't forget, this is Dream of Your Cycle TV. And today we have the top 10 EU countdown. And we're going to be giving you all the artists of the week. And every artist you are going to see on the screen, you have the opportunity to vote your favorite artist. And the artists will have to share this, share it on their page. So you have to be able to vote them. Next Sunday, we'll bring out who comes out to be number one on this top 10 countdown. And please don't forget, whoever that is your best artist, please just write their name on the comment section and write their name and put hash. Then we can be able to know who comes out to be the number one on this top 10 countdown. So right now we have 10 artists on the list, and number one is Jahons, Jahon SGJ. That's number one on the list. Jahon SGJ. Why would a man beat a woman? So please take a look.
Yeah. Rustin Records. John Z.
GJ, assalamu alaikum.
Just the other day, yes, I was driving. I saw a man beating up a woman. I started to know what's the matter. Only to discover he was a drunkard. Oh. Why I go gamble a woman? Why I go fight up a woman? Why I go insult a woman? I see a man embarrass a woman.
A woman is a special being. A woman is a delicate being that every man needs. A woman is the mother of every being. A woman is a fantasy that every man needs.
Upon every view.
Oh yes, we're back again. That's number one on our list. So right now, let's go to number two. We have here Ray JC featuring Lizzy E, Son of Asan remix. So this song, actually, the video and the concept, everything was dope, and which is why we decided to pick this song among the top 10 countdown list. So take a look.
Okay, hey. M'avait vareta na vare vire miss. M'avait roni show et d'auto oversee. M'avait gamon a piave satan le star. But dog and yes, we done a friend. Yeah.
Sleazy, liar.
Oh, why but Diana, oh, why but Diana, but Diana, te mulo de no asin coco, but Diana, te mama, I bought myself, but Diana, oh, why but Diana, I did go far, oh, yeah, my boy. Where I say, go, yeah, I say. I want my family go down. I'm actually gonna be go down. I am ready go down. You know,
I be here jamming the place. All my guys feeling the waves. Oh, why but yeah, you know,
All right, so this is that's number two. So let's quickly move to number three, and here we have JSTB. JSTB is titled, the song titled On God. The song is trending all over right now, and we felt like this song is qualified to be on this list, On God. So let's take a look on this video.
Wait, let her now. Hey, be a guy. Wait. Be a. Come here and welcome. Come on. This is where you see me. Come deliver your market the run, guy. Listen, I want to tell you something, guy. Do not be ashamed of your hustle. Because if you go broke, nobody will feed you. No, they are ashamed of your hustle, guy.
What's up, JB Gang? Don't let anybody spoil your mood. Happiness is free. Eruku wale o, eruku wale o, baby she move o, today na today o, eruku wale o,
advertisement right now. And before we continue, before we move to the countdown, before we continue with the countdown, let me quickly use this opportunity to let you guys know that there is a news that is bombing everywhere right now, because our source told us that, you guys know Livingstone Baba, our source told us that Livingstone is having a beef with his close friend JSTB. Remember Livingstone? You know, these guys were close, but we don't know if it's true or not, until we'll be able to see them and interview them and get the actual truth to know what is going on. And on top of that, we also have a news, we also have an information about 2 Tiger and his partner about to break up. So we don't know, guys. You guys know. So when we have further information, we'll let you know. But all you have to do is click on this notification button, like this page, and follow, so that when we have all the news, you'll be able to have everything in abundance, so that you don't get to meet us. You don't get to miss out. So right now, let's continue with our top 10 countdown list. Please, every artist out there, please don't forget that when we pick you on this platform, you know that your song is actually, it deserves it to be on our top 10 countdown. So let's go to number 4. So number 4 here, we have Da Snoop Omotosho. Da Snoop Omotosho is a very beautiful song and a very lovely song. And I listened to that song and I listened to it and I listened to it again. And I said, wow, this song is good. And the video, the concept, everything was dope. When you look at the background, everything was super. So right now, let's take a look at Da Snoop, titled Omotosho.
Omotosho, bẹ́sẹ̀, ọmọ ìyá olówó, Ayọ̀mídé, ìfẹ́ tí mo ní fún ayọ̀, òtítì ló mi lọ, ẹ bá mi wá ayọ̀, ẹ bá mi pa lórí fóònù, mo ń dún lọ. Secret, get the money like a secret god, secret, yeah. Sassy mama, you fine, me no lie, yeah.
It's a beautiful song. So let's move to our top 10 countdown. Let's move to number 5. Here we have GJ. This song, let me tell you something. When I listened to this song, I was amazed. I was more like, no, wow, this song, the video quality, the concept, everything about this song is dope. GJ killed this song, to be honest with you. And this song is called Bless Me. That's the title of the song. So if you have not watched this song, please go and follow GJ and watch this song. It's called what? It's titled what? Bless Me. So let's take a look at Bless Me from GJ.
I'm Joe's on the beat.
Yeah, I hear it. Yeah. If I tell you many things where my eyes don't see today, I'm on I got the grace. They know they sell the grace. They know they buy the grace, yeah. Baba God will make them celebrate me for the great things. Now you praise me, no disgrace, make you bless me. See them talking, they don't know me. I hustle them back to them, don't know this. Now bad things and they notice. Baba God will make you bless me. I know say me, I know holy. Bless me, Lord, I'm begging. The world is not just funny. I know be just too funny. When you go bless me, make up for answer my papa prayer.
Yes, that's our number 5. From the top 10 countdown. And please don't forget, this is Dream of Your Cycle TV. And please follow us, like and share, and follow us on Facebook, DW Founders, Instagram, DW Founders, Dream of Your Cycle. Please just follow us, click on the notification button, and here you are going to have access to all the information that you want. And here, let's move to number 6. Actually, I listened to this song, and this song was dope, and this song is so nice. The song is a little bit cultural, like the dance, the females, and everything. I want you guys to see this video for yourself, and there you have the time to judge. And this song titled Oboriwole. You come at number 6 here right now. Oboriwole for
I say Boriwole, Boriwole, oh yeah, Boriwole, Boriwole, I say Boriwole, Oh yeah, body wale. Body wale. The party don't start, yo. See bedu, see champagne, see kukere. See bedu, see champagne, see kukere. I like the guys with BB swag. BB swag. I love the guys with pants and dollar. As I enter the club now, all the guys them they feel me now. From different direction, from Benin to Lagos, from Lagos to London, from London to Benjo, and they fire them no time.
Yeah, that's our number 6. That move to number 7. Here we have 2 Tiger. You know, the song titled Shakara. Please, guys, if you have not watched this song, this video, this video is dope. Come on, guys. Look at, when you say this video, you look at the concept of the concept, you know, the dressing, everything about this video is lovely. About 2 tigers. So please, guys, just take a look at this song.
You just dey antagonize me, just dey hate and vex for nothing. Cause of me, you cut your button, yeah. Nah. Give me chance, oh.
That's our number 7 on the top 10 list. We have 30 more to go, guys. 30 more to go. And I know a lot of you guys are waiting right now. A lot of you guys are waiting. You're so anxious to see who comes out to be. But don't go away. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, W Founders, and follow us on this page, Dream of Your Cycle. Share with your friends, your loved ones, and all. And share with every artist all over. Let them know EU Top 10 Countdown have started, and it's going to be here. We're going to have the right people on the show, the right music. We're going to bring you music where we bring you life and music. So now let's move to our top 8 in our top 10 countdown. So right now, let's take a look. We have this song here from Sleazy E. You know, Sleazy E have a beautiful songs, a lot of beautiful songs. Nice video, but I've decided to pick this one because this video, I love it. The concept from the workshop, the meaning of the song, you know what I mean? It's so adorable. So if you have not seen this video, you've not watched it, so please, guys, go and watch it. And if you are fans of Sleazy E, this way you have to vote him in. So whoever have the highest vote is going to come out as number 1 on this page next week Sunday. Dream of Your Cycle is going to bring out your number 1 best artist of the week next week Sunday. So please don't forget. So right now, this song is titled, don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So let's take a look at this video from Sleazy E.
Make your grace follow me, make your blessings they follow me, make my enemies not see me. Oluwa sorry. When you go bless me, when I go get the kind money, when Captain Osa get. When you go bless me, this money come my way, oh. This money come my way. I call on this money, make it gummy. Every night I day I'm on a grinding. Me I know say oh my God.
It's called what? Queen Belly, Skinny Giovanni. Queen Belly, Skinny Giovanni. So this song is beautiful. The concept, the lyrics of this song is awesome. So I need you to take a look at this song and tell us what you see.
Be up West Coast. Scala bleed on my dinner, this scala be sana this you will tell me say you will see a big girl when you say you come from Pakistan. And baby she's too bad, she's too sexy. Her booty so big like a copycats. I hope say Kim baby you the copy that. Yeah, but the nice for the nights. Remove that booty from the pants. Bad man skin up on your yard. I go whip that pussy onto the night. This your sweet to make me script up. Eat the boy like a soup where they break. Mama see koto, when you see koto, mama see koto.
Look at me now.
Place have this video and a very beautiful song, a nice concept. You know, the lyrics were so nice, and everything about this song, I love it. I just love it. Everything about this song, I just love it. So right now, and this the title of this song is called what? No Shaking. No shaking. So guys, no matter what happens, no shaking. When they tell us, say no shaking. So believe it, guys, no shaking. So let's take a look at J Fleur's title, No Shaking.
Producer.
If you dey suffer, nobody go look your face. Oh. Them go they wait for the call, make them hear say you don't buy. When money enter, everybody go begin relate. Upon the things way I do, them talk say I don't try. I'm an enemy, oh, they need them one make a come, make a go down.
Yeah, hello guys. That's the top 10 countdown of today from the Dream of Your Cycle from all the EU artists. So please follow us on this page if you want to see more videos, you want to see more videos, more artists, your favorite artists. Please contact us if you have any song you want us to put on this top 10 that you felt it deserves. Just write us, let us know. You can go below, you can WhatsApp us, or you write us, or you can go to our website and write us and tell us, and then we go ahead, we get the song, and then we bring it to you guys. Of course, all we do here is entertainment. We bring you the best and the best and the best and the best. You know, we bring you everything that you deserve to know, and hopefully we're able to satisfy your need. So please, guys, share this video, vote your favorite artist. Like I said from the beginning, vote your favorite artist. Make sure that your artist, when you write the name of your artist when you are voting, you know, you vote. If you want the song to come at number 1, you write the name of the artist. For example, you are Ray Jay-Z, you write number 1. For example, again, if it's 2 Tiger, you write 2 Tiger number 1. Whatever number you feel like your artist deserve, you know, your favorite artist deserve, just write it and write # on it. Next week, Sunday, we'll go through this top 10 and we'll give you who comes out number 1 from this top 10 and what number your favorite artist, you know, was able to come out from. But so far, so good. They all made up to the top 10, you know, list of EU artists from Dream of Your Cycle TV. And we say, God bless you. Stay tuned, like us, and God be with you. And please don't forget, we have good news for you. Go to our Facebook, go to our YouTube channel, W Founders. Follow us and help us to grow this page. Please share this video because click on the like button. Please
just the other day, yes, I was driving. I saw a man beating up a woman. I started to know what's the matter. Only to discover he was a drunkard. Why I go gamble a woman? Why I go fight up a woman? Why I go insult a woman? I see a man embarrass a woman.
A woman is a special being. A woman is a delicate being that every man needs. A woman is the mother of every being. A woman is a fantasy that every man needs.
Upon every beautiful thing, a woman is specially designed among human beings. So treat them with caution and kiss. For a woman deserves every good thing that a man need. I see the way some handle their women. I can't mishandle my woman.